6 ways to make money online, offline, and at home. Make money with a side gig and learn how long it will take to see the extra income. The top things rounded up 6 real ways to make money at home, online, or out and about. So let's dive into the topic without wasting any further time. Number 1. Become a private tutor. Parlay your math, science, foreign language, or test prep expertise into a lucrative side gig by becoming a private tutor. You can tutor people online or in person. What you charge can depend on your experience, expertise, and what's in demand. To get started, see what types of tutors are needed on Craigslist or create a profile on sites like tutor.com or care.com. You can also advertise your services at local schools and community centers. Number 2. Drive for Uber or Lyft. Join Uber or Lyft, or both, and make money by driving passengers around. Just don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance costs. You need an eligible car in good condition and must agree to a background check and a review of your driving history. Number 3. Make deliveries for Amazon or Uber Eats. Take advantage of the growing delivery trend and sign up for a service like Instacart, Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. You get paid per delivery, in most cases, and can even earn tips. A car isn't always required. Postmates and in some cities, DoorDash lets you use a bike or scooter to make deliveries. However, a background check is almost always part of the deal. Number 4. Find work as a house sitter. If you're willing to watch someone's home and maybe feed the pets, water the plants, and take out the garbage, become a house sitter. Tap your personal network for referrals or try out housesitter.com, which connects homeowners with house sitters. People often make $25 to $45 a day, according to the company's website. Number 5. Sign up to be a mystery shopper. Businesses often want to know how they're performing from a customer's perspective. Sign up to be their eyes and ears. You can apply online via sites like IntelliShop, Bestmark, and Sinclair Customer Metrics. Just beware of scams and do thorough research before signing on. Number 6. Put your drone to work. The market for drones is expanding. Companies hire out work like aerial inspection, photography, and land mapping. So if you're already a drone enthusiast, why not make extra money with your aircraft? You need to pass a test to become a drone pilot and register your drone with the Federal Aviation Administration. Then, you can apply for flying gigs. Watch out for making money scams. The internet is full of opportunities to make money online or from home, but many are questionable, if not outright scams. So that's all for today. I hope you guys will choose one of these ways for making money. And also do let me know in the comments section below that what kind of topic do you want me to post in the next video. And I'll try my best to cover the same topic as you chose. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.